What if one smart investment made in 2026 could double your money before next year? Sounds impossible, yet a few opportunities actually have that potential. Today, we're breaking down 10 realistic investments, the hidden risks, and why most people completely overlook them. Let's start with the obvious surprise. Small AI companies. Not every startup becomes the next giant, but history shows that when breakthrough technologies spread, a handful of smaller players can explode in value. Think of two friends. Emma buys random trending stocks because social media told her to. Jake spends one evening reading earnings reports, checking cash flow, and understanding the business. Guess who sleeps better? Warren Buffett famously says, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Next, consider beaten down sectors. Sometimes entire industries become unpopular, even when strong companies remain profitable. That's where patient investors quietly look. Then there's Bitcoin and carefully selected cryptocurrencies. Yes, they're volatile, but volatility is exactly why doubling is even possible. The catch? Never invest money you can't afford to leave untouched. And here's one investment almost nobody mentions that often delivers the highest return: learning a valuable AI skill. The next opportunity might surprise you even more. Another opportunity hiding in plain sight is buying quality businesses during temporary panic. Benjamin Graham called the market a voting machine in the short run, but a weighing machine in the long run. Imagine headlines screaming that a sector is finished. One investor runs away. Another checks whether profits, customers, and competitive advantages are still intact. Sometimes fear creates discounts, not disasters. Next are niche ETFs focused on industries like cybersecurity, robotics, or AI infrastructure. Instead of betting on one company, you're backing an entire trend. There's also a surprisingly practical investment: buying a small online business. Many websites, newsletters, or digital stores generate steady income but are sold because the owner simply wants to move on. Improve the marketing, automate repetitive tasks with AI, and the value can increase dramatically. Of course, none of these guarantee 100% return, but combining research, patience, and smart timing dramatically improves your odds. The final group includes opportunities many people completely ignore. Let's finish with 3 investments that don't usually make flashy headlines. First, overlooked small-cap companies with real revenue can sometimes grow far faster than giant corporations simply because they're starting from a smaller base. Second, investing in fractional ownership of promising private businesses or startups has become more accessible, though careful research is essential because many fail. Third, your own earning power. Morgan Housel often reminds us that your greatest financial asset is your ability to generate future income. A certification in AI automation, coding, sales, or content creation can double your income long before many investments double your portfolio. Picture 2 coworkers earning the same salary today. One spends evenings scrolling endlessly, while the other spends 6 months mastering an in-demand skill. A year later, they're living completely different financial lives. That's the kind of investment most people underestimate. And before you rush to invest in anything, there's one final idea that ties everything together. Doubling your money isn't about chasing hype. It's about spotting opportunities before the crowd does. Which investment surprised you most? Let us know and subscribe for smarter financial insights.